Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Google Analytics 4 for tracking affiliate conversions, complete guide step by step clearly. To install Google Analytics 4 for tracking affiliate conversions, begin by creating a Google Analytics account if you don't have one. Navigate to the Google Analytics website. Click on the Start for Free button to create your account. Follow the prompts to set up your Google Analytics account name. Select the appropriate data sharing settings that suit your preferences. Next, you will need to create a property for your website. Enter your property name, select your reporting time zone, and choose the currency. Click on the Next button to proceed. Fill out the business information, including your industry category and business size. Select your business objectives from the options provided. Click Create to finalize your property setup. You will then be prompted to accept the Google Analytics Terms of Service Agreement. Once you accept the terms, you will be directed to the setup screen for your Google Analytics 4 property. Locate the Data Streams section and click on Add Stream. Select Web to track your website. Enter your website URL and a stream name that you can easily recognize. Click on the Create Stream button to continue. You will now see a summary of your new web data stream. Copy the measurement ID, which you will need for installation. Next, you need to set up Google Tag Manager if you haven't already. Go to the Google Tag Manager website and sign up for a free account. Create a new container for your website by entering your website name and selecting Web for the target platform. Click on the Create button to proceed. Accept the Terms of Service Agreement. You will now see your Tag Manager workspace. In the workspace, click on Add a new tag. Name your tag something recognizable, like GA4 Affiliate Tracking. Select Tag Configuration and choose Google Analytics GA4 Configuration. Paste the measurement ID you copied earlier into the appropriate field. Click on Triggering to set up the trigger for your tag. Select all pages to ensure it tracks traffic across your entire site. Click Save to finish the tag setup. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.